Hey you guys, I hope all is well with you all. I'm doing well on this side. Wanted to show you guys how to make your date paste or date syrup. What you're gonna do, you're gonna soak your dates overnight in some purified water, clean water. Okay. Now these are some jewel dates. They're huge. And remember, when you're dealing with dates, you know, you have to pit them. But you also make sure there's no critters, nothing else is inside the date. Okay? So I'm going to pit these dates. Just taking the pit out, the little seed that's in there. You don't want to blend that in your blender because that will ruin. It can ruin your blender if you don't have a high-speed blender, or it will mess up whatever you're blending. Like, that's it. So all I'm doing is pitting these dates. And I think I might have maybe 15. I'm not sure of the number. They are huge. So this is another sugar or sweetener, all natural sweetener that you can use. I bought this date paste before, syrup before, and it doesn't taste nothing like when you make it yourself. And it's cheaper. You know what I'm saying? It's much better. Everything fresh. Fresh is always better. You can also soak your dates in coconut water. But I'm also going to speak on, because I'm going to do a separate video. I'm going to be making the cinnamon rolls. So this is going to be part of that. So I'm going to add this video in this clip. I'm going to add it into that video when I make the cinnamon rolls. These are so sweet. You can use date syrup to sweeten whatever you normally would use honey for. You might end up using a little bit more than you would normally use. It depends on if you got a sweet tooth or not. And what I'm going to do after I pick these dates, I'm going to use the water. Oh, I'll also take off this piece here. I'll always take that off. Try to remember to take it off if there's one on it, because sometimes it don't have, like this one don't have one on it. So juicy. It's more than 15 dates. Look like 20. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, what I'm going to do now, here's my the water. You can also use this date water. It's sweetened. You can also use this in your smoothies, which I'm going to do that in my smoothie. I got Big Red here. I'm going to use Big Red today. Okay. What I'm gonna do? Just gonna blend. I'm gonna just blend. Okay. Not sure if I'm gonna use my tamper. I have it handy here. I'm gonna put a little water in here. Let's do that. I'm gonna take the lid off before I do that. Before I start blending. So I'm gonna put about a quart, actually, about a half a cup of water, because I want it, and I'm gonna reuse the same container. I just took it out. I might have to add more water. It depends on the consistency you're looking for. I want it like a paste, so you'll, hopefully I didn't put too much water. We'll get to see. I'm gonna add a little, it's good, but I want it a little more creamier. So let's say that's 3/4 cup of water. We're gonna do a whole cup of water, okay? Do the whole cup. Pretty much gonna use all this water that was used, and that was about 1.25 cups, but it's soaked up inside the dates, so you got some of that water in the dates already. So because I just took the date sauce that I just made, or paste, I can even make this more liquefied, but as you guys can see there, where you can make it more like a syrup. If you want a syrup, you just add more water. If you want it more liquefied, which I think I'm going to do. I'm going to liquefy the rest. Add some more water so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But this is the paste, okay? You just keep this in your fridge. I'll use glass. I like to use glass for storage. And voila. But let me go get some water. I'll be back. Okay, I put about 1/2 cup of water in here. So we're gonna blend it up. Show you guys the syrup. You can get those spatulas off of Amazon for your Vitamix or any blender. date syrup. Did y'all see that smoke? And it's gonna get a little more. I can make this even more thinner. I use this for. You can put it in soups. You can put it in smoothies. If you eat millet or quinoa, you can use it as your sweetener instead of syrup. You know, the agave sugar stuff. The poison. Yeah, this is alternative to that. An alternative to honey too. So for those who are vegan. And there you go. I like to get all, because dates are not cheap. Those were, let's see, if I would have left that, look at all that. That's a good teaspoon right there. Alright, I think I'll leave the rest for my smoothie. Anyway, 1,000 roses to you guys. I'm going to store this in the refrigerator and use it for the sweetener. For my smoothies, for Adriana's food, and for my salads if I want to add some sweet sauce, seeds, you know. This is very versatile. There's so many ways you can use these different. And let me show you guys the difference, just in case somebody might say, I don't see no difference. Okay, show y'all the difference. Okay, this is the paste. Okay? See, it's not as runny. And this is the syrup. You can, if you make, let's say you want to make a sweet bread or a waffle, you can add this in the waffle batter and you don't have to add any syrup because you have, that is so good. You can have that in there. You want to say something? This is just for us, so that's why I'm licking my thing, okay? I wouldn't do that for the public. Okay?
I just ate that in my breakfast. And believe me when I say it was good. I ate the whole thing. It's empty.
Okay, thank you guys, and thank you for sharing that, Ezra. Thank you guys for watching 1,000 Roses. Wow, really though, I dropped all the seeds. 1,000 Roses to you guys. One love. Thanks for watching.